Hi friends, this is the flying demo of my quadcopter. Um, I just want to give you some idea of the controller. This controller is really amazing, the best I have ever had in all of my flying toys. Uh, this is the power on off button. This is the antenna. This is to ascend and descend copter, and if to rotate left right, we need to move it towards the right. To rotate left, towards left. And then this is to move forward, to move backward, and it usually comes back to its default position. And this is to hover right, and this is to hover left, like this. And this is the video mode button, which I need to explore more. And video and photo, it switches between the video mode and the photo mode. Then these are some kind of new stuff which I have seen. I was checking in the manual. It has some kind of new cruise control with this button, and some headless mode with this button. What is there in the cruise control mode? It's like it will record its movement up to 40 seconds, and it can redo its movement. So, and the headless mode, I need to explore what it is. So, and this is the 3D flip button. It has a default button. If I press this one, it will itself do a 3D flip, and the display is really beautiful. It shows almost everything in detail. So let me on it. Okay, so this is how it should be. Once you connect the battery, and the first time you switch on your controller, it gets connected, and after you switch it off, you again need to disconnect the battery and then reconnect the battery and then switch it on. This is what I have observed, and maybe the same, if you guys might need to do the same. Okay, let me try and fly it. Okay, here when I'm pressing, it is showing the photo mode. Okay, when I keep pressing it, it switches back to the video mode. Let me fly this one.